Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Yeah, Zion. Inna the jungle, yeah, man. Me meet ya under moonlight sway, in a corner where the incense play. You had eyes like African storm. Me soul get warm, me heart transform. You ask me if me smoke or pray. Me tell you about every single day. You laugh like thunder, voice like stream. Since that moment me float in dream. Me high on love, not just the herb. You touch me spirit, not just me nerve. We levitate in timeless wave, like star and fire, Jah children brave. High on love so naturally, you and I in harmony. No illusion, no disguise, just pure connection in your eyes. We roll one under ancient tree. You chant in tones that set me free. You speak of soul and sacred path. Me laugh so deep, me can't hold back. You move like rhythm in a Naya Bingi, like drums and winds in ceremony. Me hold your hand, me nah let go. You guide me where me heart can know. Love is not possession, love is flow. It burn like chalice in candle glow. We not own each other, but we align like planets dance in cosmic sign. You are the verse me never wrote, the bassline steady in a me throat. Each kiss a revolution true. Me see Jah light in loving you. Me high on love and that's enough. Even when the road gets rough, with you me rise, with you me fall. We answer only Zion call. Me high on love, pure and clean, more real than any TV screen. We blaze and float, two spirits one, forever dancing in a sun. We talk about life till morning dew. You whisper truths me never knew. Me write your name in clouds above. Me plant your smile like sacred dove. We sip from cup of fruits and gold. We age together, never old. You and me, a mystic blend, not just a fling, this not pretend. High on love, not lust, not mask, not rush, but ancient flame, soul to soul, name to name. Me feel you even when you far, like ganja smoke and evening star. High on love, we travel far, in this life and every part. Zion, your man, Kingston, is in a display. Me wake with a light sun blaze for me face. Me grab me chalice, ready for embrace. Today is the day, me live it strong. The rhythm inside of me heart beat long. Me walk to the market, me sight the scene. Everybody vibing, life feel clean. Me link up me brethren, them roll up the steam. A little green leaf make the soul redeem. No system stress, me not deal with that. Me roll up love in a one big rap. Me spirit high, me not need no trap. Me just chant and dance pan every beat drop. Green anthem, roll it up high. Wave it at the ear like stars in the sky. One love, fit the roots man right. We burn the fire and keep Jah vibes. Green anthem, spark it and smile. The herb make we reason and reason a while. Life too short for fuss and war, so roll it up, blaze it under the stars. Me hear the drums from the village gate. Me step to the sound, me can't be late. The queen on stage with fire in vice. She sing about truth and Rasta choice. Children a dance, elders a swear. Me see unity in a everywhere. The herbs pass round in a sacred cup. No Babylon fear can lock me up. Roll one, blaze one, lift up your soul. Herb is the healing for young and for old. Ganja in a scripture, prophecy told. Fi open your eyes and make you bold. Me nah promote slackness, me promote light. Meditation strong, me vision right. So if you hear this tune and you feel me song, light up your spirit and chant along. Green anthem, roll it up high. Wave it na the ear like stars in the sky. One love, feed the roots man right. We burn the fire and keep Jah vibes. Green anthem, spark it and smile. The herb make we reason and reason a while. Life too short for fuss and war. So roll it up, blaze it under the stars. Me see police pass but them can't touch soul. Me heart protected, me love control. Me plant one seed in a Zion field. Ganja tree grew up, for soul to heal. The rhythm roll deep, the bass line low. Me eyes half closed, me in a light glow. Me feel Jah close when me inhale peace. The herb on me ladder to sweet release. Roll it, spark it, chant one prayer. Jah light shine bright everywhere. From Kingston Yard to Berlin sky. We born for love, no need for lie. Green anthem, roll it up high. Roll it, Zion echoes blazing at the sky. Hey, yeah. Fire inna the air, yeah, man. Hey, yeah. Me wake up inna the hills, breeze kiss me face. Roll one tight, me enter sacred space. No rush, no nice, just bird and breeze. I tall fruits right, me life move with ease. Steam rise high like prayer to Jah. Me heart beat slow, me soul feel star. Me nah need diamond, me nah need gold. Me treasure is peace, me spirit bold. Me sit pan rock, me chant me sound. With ancestors all gather round. Them whisper truths inna the trees. Me hold me breath, me feel just peace. Inna meditation hills me find thyself. With ganja, fire and natural health. Me sight clear, no lies, no thrills. Just roots man life on the Zion hills. Smoke rise slow like ancient psalms. Me hold the herb, me life stay calm. No worry, no hate, me soul just chills. High vibration pa meditation hills. Me step barefoot, the soul talk to eye. Each leaf, each breeze, a message from sky. Me carry no burden, me let them go. Me flow like river, me let love grow. Me reason with sun, me dance with moon. Me chant Nyaya Bingi rhythm all afternoon. Me sight me queen, natural and wise. With roots in her locks and love in her eyes. We cook a ital stew, sip coconut clean. No poison food, me keep me temple lean. We laugh and reason under ganja tree. And chant down stress so the soul stay free. In a meditation hills me find thyself. With ganja, fire and natural health. Me sight clear, no lies, no thrills. Just roots man life on the Zion hills. Smoke rise slow like ancient psalms. Me hold the herb, me life stay calm. No worry, no hate, me soul just chills. High vibration pa meditation hills. Me nah need Babylon, music fi feel. Me play me drum, me sound stay real. Me chant fi Jah, me life from heart. Each herb will make me soul restart. 420 a code, but fi we it's life. Herb and me healer, me teacher, me wife, meditation strong. Me can't deny, every draw a stairway to the most high. Me write this verse in the cool mountain breeze. With pen made of fire, soul lattice. no fight, me no fuss, me no live in a stress. Me chant one love and me truly blessed. Me send this song out to all Rasta man, to queens and kings with the staff in hand. We rise with roots, with ganja and drum until the whole earth sing. Zion come, in a meditation hills me find thyself. With ganja, fire and natural health. Me sight clear, no lies, no thrills, just roots man life on the Zion hills. Smoke rise high, breeze blow still. Me soul float up on the ganja wheel. No fear, no rush, just jam me feel. In a meditation hills me heal. Heartbeat of Mama Earth, give the soul no rest. From the Congo River to Jamaica shore, we chant for peace, we chant for more. Me see me sister dance in a sacred flame. Me brother build love, not chase no fame. Each skin, each voice, all under one sky. Different faces, but spirit can't lie. One tribe, one heart, one song we sing. Under one sun, let the freedom ring. Many roots, but the tree still grow. From earth to Zion, we all must know. We are one tribe, rise like the tide. Me not divide, me stand in pride. The ancestors watch, them smile so wide. We walk together, side by side. The children play with barefoot joy. No plastic dreams, no Babylon toy. Me see them laugh in a natural state. Before the system teach them hate. Me walk with the elders, hear them tale of spirits and rivers and winds that wail. Me feel me bloodline stretch far and deep. In a me drum, them secrets keep. One tribe. Can't stop, we not go stop. Me feel the rhythm, me soul ignite. Me all me people in Jah light. One tribe, one beat, one voice we raise. In a unity, fire in a healing blaze. One drum, one dance, one open way. From night to dawn, from dusk to day. One tribe, from Nile to Bay. Me not stray, me nah betray. The love we hold, it can't decay. We chant for life, we chant for stay. Me sing for Africa, me sing for roots. Me chant in a dreadlocks, me chant in boots. No borders hold me, no wall can keep. Me spirit fly free, me spirit nah sleep. Me blaze me herb in sacred space. Me see Jah light in every face. In market, temple, beach or train. The message clear, we break the chain. Oh, one tribe rise. Oh, in our disguise. Oh, we unify under one sun until we die. Drum, slowly. Voices echoing like a mantra. Me born as a free man, me never go bow. Babylon try, but them can't stop me, no. Jah bless me, me never go fall. Me see them scheme, me see them plan. Them want take the earth from the poor man and them poison the water, them poison the sky. Still me arise, me not comply. Them say me can't talk, them say me can't fight. Them want keep we silent, but me chant truth bright. Me say fire for the system, fire for the chains, fire for the leaders where you spread their pain. Me see ghetto youth, them a look for hope. Me say rise up strong, not take Babylon dope. Them want you lost, them want you weak, but your wisdom they are for the ones who seek. No chains can hold we down. Jah light a shine, we are wear the crown. No chains can lock we soul. We free long time, the truth them know. Me say love are the answer, me say love are the key. Them preach hate, but me say unity. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant righteousness, me chant the truth. Them a push war, me say burn that fast. Them a say lie, but truth can't pass. The world in trouble, me sight the sign. Jaja deya, me hear him design. Me hear the drum beat, me hear the sound. Ancestors guide me, them always around. Me chant it loud, me chant it clear. The system can't win, Jah time they near. Me say fire for corruption, fire for greed, fire for the ones where ya make you bleed. Me nah go silent, me nah go stop. Revolution start, time fi rise up. No chains can hold we down. Jah light a shine, we are wear the crown. No chains can lock we soul. We free long time, the truth them know. The media a lie, the leaders are fake. Them sell out the earth, them sell out the faith. Me tell the youth, open your mind. Jah wisdom there, seek and find. Me say stand firm, never lose faith. Me say walk righteous, never choose hate. The time soon come, the world I go see. The wicked can't win, them a fi set we free. Fire for the chains, fire for the lie, fire for the system where I take man life. Fire for the wicked, fire for pain. Jah kingdom rise, love reign again. No chains can hold we down. Jah light a shine, we are wear the crown. Zion roots. Them want me silent, but my voice still loud. Babylon system try to push we in a crowd. Them say we small, but we big in a Jah sight. Righteous warrior, me stand up and fight. Me hear the youth, them a cry in the street. Them belly empty, but them soul still deep. Me say the ghetto full of pain, full of stress, but Jah light still a shine. We forever blessed. Them sell we illusion, them tell we lie. Them say we can't rise, but me know that a lie. Me ancestors' blood run deep in a vein. From the days of slavery, still feel the pain. But me nah bow, me nah sell me soul. Gold and silver can't make me lose control. Me chant the psalms, me burn corruption. Me walk with truth, me bring redemption. Rebel with a cause, me a chant for the youth. Stand firm pon the truth, me nah dilute. Rebel with a cause, me a fight Babylon. Jah bless me a holy man. Me see politician a smile, but them fake. Shake me hand, but me feel them a snake. Them promise upliftment, still poor man a wait. Still ghetto youth a suffer, still empty plate. Them give we gun, give we drugs, give we war. Them want we last, them want we stay far. From the truth, from the roots, from the culture. But we still hold strong like the Lion of Judah. Me hear the drum beat, me feel the vibration. Ancestors a whisper through the meditation. Me connect to me roots, me connect to me past. Reggae music make the real fire blast. Me chant out loud, me chant it clear. Jaja guide me, me have no fear. Them can't stop the message, can't stop the sound. Reggae music shake the whole world round. Rebel with a cause, me a chant for the youth. Stand firm pon the truth, me nah dilute. Rebel with a cause, me a fight Babylon. Jaja bless me, me a holy man. Me say rise up youth, rise up strong. Knowledge of the key, me say overstand. Them can't program we, them can't control. We spirit too high, we mind too bold. Them want keep we down, but we stand tall. True king know him worth, him never fall. Me walk in a Zion, me head L.I. Rasta vibration, me reach for the sky. Fire burn corruption, fire burn lie. Fire for the wicked way up eyes in the sky. Fire for the system, fire for hate. Jah love are the key and Jah love can't wait. Zion roots. Me trod through the valley, me trod through the storm. Babylon want me weak, but me spirit stay strong. Them set up the trap, but me never go fall. Me a lion in a jungle, me a stand tall. Them want control me, want change me mind. Them give false news, but me read between the line. System full of trick, but me too wise for that. Me cite the truth, me never look back. Me say knowledge are the key, education are the way. Me teach the youths, them fi rise up today. Them want we blind, them want we stay low. But me tell the ghetto youth, them fi let Jah flow. Me see mama cry, me see papa stress. Them work all day, still can't find the best. Me say poor man fight, rich man laugh. But Jaja there, him a guide we path. Lion in a jungle, me nah run, me nah hide. Truth in a me heart, Jah light as me guide. Lion in a jungle, me roar for the youth. Babylon tremble when me chant the truth. Me say real revolution, starting at the mind. If you think like a slave, you go stay behind. Free up the chains, free up the thought. Wisdom are the weapon when me bring in a the war. Them build up the border, them build up the gate. Them a separate the people through them wicked hate. Me say one blood, one love, one family. Rasta man trod with the real energy. Me hear the drum beat, me feel the fire. Me see Jah work, me see the empire. Them can't stop the movement, can't stop the flow. Reggae music are the healing, make the world know. Me chant from the mountain, me chant from the sea. Jah word in a me heart, me forever free. Them try fi fight, but me too blessed fi lose. Me a spread Jah love, me a spread Jah news. Lion in a jungle, me nah run, me nah hide. Truth in a me heart, Jah light as me guide. Lion in a jungle, me roar for the youth. Babylon tremble when me chant the truth. Me tell the youth them, stand up, be bold. The world can't break you, the system too cold. Me say unity strong, division a crime. We have to rise up before we out of time. Me see the prophecy, me see the sign. Jah word manifest, it depend me mind. Me a trod righteous, me a trod wise. Me a burn out the system, me a open me eyes. Fire for the wicked, fire for the lie. Fire for the system where you poison the sky. Fire for the chains, fire for the pain. Jah love alone shall forever reign. Pour them strain. Ghetto youth lost, them nasty light. Babylon system, I take we right. Them sell illusion, them twist up truth. Them plant the seed, but mess with roots. Me sight the wicked, me sight them plan. But Rasta can't fall, me a real strong man. Them build up wall, them push division. Them rule with fear, them lock division. Me tell me people, open your eyes. The time soon come when Babylon rise. Me chant redemption, me chant for peace. But me ready for the fight, me nah go cease. Them take we culture, them take we land. But the fire still burn, Rasta still stand. Babylon now win, me tell them straight. Jah warriors rise, them can't dictate. Babylon now win, the truth can't hide. Righteousness there, me nah switch side. Me see them program, me see them news. Same old tricks, them spread the blues. Them want confusion, them push the fear. But the voice of the people is too loud for hear. Me say one love, me say one aim. Me say burn out the wicked, them heart full of shame. Me hold the faith, me hold the line. Jah guide me, me soul divine. Me hear the thunder, me feel the sound. Rasta vibration a shake the ground. The system weak, it can't last long. The righteous rise up, the wicked can't strong. Them a try distract with them a try mislead. But me know the truth, me no follow greed. Me step with love, me step on light. The real revolution start tonight. Babylon now win, me tell them straight. Jah warriors rise, them can't dictate. Babylon now win, the truth can't hide. Righteousness there, me nah switch side. Me tell the youth, stand up wise. No take no bribe, no fall for lies. The system cold, but just still warm. Hold up your faith, can't do no harm. Me chant me prayer, me sing me song. Me know the journey still long, but me a trod it, me nah look back. Jah bless me, me stay on track. Fire for the chains, fire for the lies. Fire for the wicked, we are wear disguise. Fire for the pain, fire for the greed. Jah kingdom rise, that's all we need. Fire for the chains, fire for the lies. Fire for the wicked. Them think we blind, but we see the way. Them think we weak, but we never stray. Me hear the cry from the ghetto youth. Them tired of the struggle, them want the truth. Me say mama work, but the wage too low. Papa hustle, but the stress still grow. Them tax we high, still we can't afford. Them want we bold, but my chant your word. Look how the leaders, them a sell we out. Them talk big, but I lie them out. Every election, them promise bright. Still get so dark, still no light. Me say wisdom are the key, open me your mind. Jah call, but some act blind. Me nah follow them illusion path. Me stand pon truth, me walk your path. Judgment day, it a come real fast. Babylon shake, them can't outlast. Judgment day, me say fire fi burn. Righteous rise and the wicked fi learn. Me see the world full of war and greed. Them kill fi money, but them souls still bleed. Me say love are the cure, love are the way. But them push violence every single day. Me burn them lie, me burn them plan. Me trod righteous, me trod as one. Me nah follow them, me hold Jah guide. The system fake, me see inside. Me hear the thunder, me see the sign. Jah word written, it dey on me mind. The time soon come, the clock a tick. Babylon wall, it a go fall real quick. Me feel the fire, me hear the sound. The trumpet blow, it shake the ground. Me chant it loud, me chant it clear. Rasta vibration, Jah time they near. Judgment day, it a come real fast. Babylon shake, them can't outlast. Judgment day, me say fire fi burn. Righteous rise and the wicked fi learn. Youth man and rise, no make them fool you. Stand firm, Jaja rule you. Knowledge are your shield, wisdom are your sword. Meditate deep, connect with the Lord. Them want keep we down, but we too strong. Them fight against we, but we trod too long. Me spirit high, me never go low. The truth of the seed make the righteous grow. Fire for corruption, fire for greed. Fire for the system where I make you bleed. Fire for the chains, fire for the pain. Jah kingdom rise, righteousness reign. Up early, step out with faith. Jaja guide me, me know him great. Them try to stop we, them set up trap, but me trod firm, me nah look back. Ghetto youth them tired, them want relief. The system cold, it full up with teeth. Them take with culture, them take with land. Still we they are strong, still we stand. Them come with illusion, them push them lie. Them try to trick we, but me third eye. Me sight the vision, me hear the call. The real revolution start for y'all. Me tell me brethren, me tell me sistren, hold up your faith, Jah blessing within. The table soon turn, the trumpet soon blow. The wicked can't win, them have to let go. Wicked can't stop we too divine. Jah light shine, it a glow and shine. Wicked can't stop with them can't prevail. Righteousness rise, them system fail. Them build up prison, them take with school. Them teach corruption, them change the rule. Them want confusion, them want we blind. But the fire still burn, the truth can't hide. Me chant redemption, me chant for peace. But if them test we, the fight can't cease. Me rise with knowledge, me rise with love. Me walk with Jah, me fly like dove. Me hear the thunder, me feel the sound. Jah soldiers march, them shake the ground. No more sufferation, no more chains. The righteous rise, the wicked feel pain. Me step with wisdom, me step with grace. Babylon tremble when them see me face. Me voice a weapon, me words a sword. Me fight with truth, me fight with word. Wicked can't stop we too divine. Jah light shine, it a glow and shine. Wicked can't stop we, them can't prevail. Righteousness rise, them system fail. Wicked can't stop we too divine. Jah light shine, it a glow and shine. Wicked can't stop we, them can't prevail. Righteousness rise, them system fail. Me tell the youth, no take them lies. Them want you lost, them want you blind. The system cold, but just still warm. Hold up your faith, can't do no harm. Me know the prophecy, me know the plan. The righteous stand strong, me hold your hand. The judgment set, the fire burn. The tables turn, now them have to learn. Fire for the chains, fire for the war. Fire for the system we push too far. Fire for oppression, fire for pain. Jah kingdom. Zion roots, smoke coconut kush. Under Jah wing we find the peace. The struggles of life, them soon release. In a sanctuary, we spirit rest. Guided by Jah, we make we best. The world full of chaos, but we can't lose hope. We hold on to love, it help we cope. With each prayer lifted, just care. Sanctuary of love, just always there. The battles we face, Jah guide we way through the darkest night to a brighter day. In the shadows, Jah's light prevail. Feed the lost and broken, Jah's love no fail. With hands uplifted, we sing Jah's song, a melody of peace, fi keep we strong. The sanctuary call, it soothe the pain. We trod in faith, and love sustain. Whoa, oh, Jah's light shine through. Sanctuary of love, for me and you. Each moment blessed, each step secure. In Jah's sanctuary, with spirit pure. Jah's sanctuary, a holy place. Feed the weary soul, Jah's embrace. Through the trials deep, Jah always near. Sanctuary of love, we find no fear. Jah's sanctuary, the healing stream, a refuge of peace, the eternal dream. With every heartbeat, we feel Jah's care. Sanctuary of love, Jah's always there. Forever we dwell in Jah's embrace. Sanctuary of love, a sacred space. Through all the storms, we find Jah's hand, guiding me home to the promised land. Till the final call, Jah's love we sing. In a sanctuary, we find everything. With faith and hope, we make it true. Sanctuary of love, Jah's gift renew. Zion roots, we rise like the sun upon the horizon bright, breaking the chains of Babylon night. With love as we shield and truth as we sword, we trod through the battle united with Jah's word. The trials them heavy but we strong like steel. Jah's love surround we, it always heal. Each step forward a victory gain. We rise up and shine through the joy and pain. Rise up and shine, let the world behold. The fire of Jah more precious than gold. From the ashes we'll soar like the phoenix high. Rise up and shine under Jah's sky. The system a crumble, we hear it crack. Jah's people awaken, the truth are back. With unity strong we break every chain. Rise up and shine through the joy and pain. Feed the youth them searching, we light the way. The guidance of Jah make the darkness sway. We'll sing the songs of Zion so sweet and pure. Rise up and shine, Jah blessings endure. Whoa, the stars them align. Rise up and shine, Jah's power divine. The fire we carry, it blaze through the night. Guided by love, we'll win the fight. Rise up and shine, let the world behold. The fire of Jah more precious than gold. From the ashes we'll soar like the phoenix high. Rise up and shine under Jah's sky. Till the morning come and the victory show. We rise up and shine, make the blessings flow. With Jah as we guide, we'll never decline. Rise up and shine, feed the light divine. Forever we rise, the world can't confine. Each dawn we face, the journey refine.
on the street, me see pure stress. Ghetto youth struggle, them heart in a mess. Mama cry out, the bill them high. Papa work hard, but him still can't buy. Them tax we sold, them rob we dream. Still me keep treading, me push through the scheme. Them promise we change, but a trick them play. New leader, same system, same old way. Me see politician, I laugh and I toast, but me people hungry. Me people lost hope, me burn corruption. Me burn the greed, me burn the leaders where I watch me bleed. Me tell the youth man, stand up wise. The system a fraud, open your eyes. Rise up strong, me nah go fall. Judge bless me, me a stand tall. Rise up strong, we can't stay weak. Revolution time, make the truth them seek. Me hear the cry from the distant land. War and famine, blood pon the sand. Them print the money, but food can't share. One world order, me bun that clear. Them poison the water, them poison the sky. Them poison the youth with their foolish lie. Me tell them wake up, sight the plan. Babylon system can't hold Rasta man. Me hear the drum beat, me feel the call. The ancestors whisper, them guide me all. Me chant it loud, me chant it proud. Just soldiers rise up, me see them crowd. No more sufferation, no more pain, no more leaders. I play them game, the earth soon shake, the fire soon burn. The tables turn, now them have to learn. Rise up strong, me nah go fall. Judge bless me, me a stand tall. Rise up strong, we can't stay weak. Revolution time, make the truth them seek. Ghetto youth, know you worth. Now make Babylon put you in a dirt. The mind of the key, the soul of the guide. Stay upon the righteous, stay upon the side. Them can't break we, them can't defeat. The voice of the people, it too concrete. Me hold ya close, me chant me prayer. The wicked them run, them full up with fear. Fire for the chains, fire for the war. Fire for the system we push too far. Fire for oppression, fire for pain. Jah kingdom rise, love reign again. Fire for the chains, fire for the war. Fire for the system we push too far. Fire for oppression, fire for pain. Jah kingdom rise, love reign again. Fire for the chains, fire for the war. Fire for the system we push too far. Fire for oppression, fire for pain. Jah kingdom rise, love reign again. Fire for the chains, fire for the war. Fire for the system we push too far. Fire for... Zee-do-do-do. Band and shoots and shoots and shoot. Zion roots. Zee-do-do-do. Band and shoots and shoots and shoot. Them want cut the tree, but the roots still strong. Jah bless we so we can't go wrong. Them try fi bury with truths in the ground, but the real evolution it a come back round. Me see the system, I play them game. Them push the ghetto youth, them in a poverty and shame. Me see the struggle, me see the fight, but Jah light shine bright in a darkest night. Them can't stop we, them can't break we soul. Them build up them walls, but we still have control. Me say, love are the key, unity the way. But them push war, me say every day. Me see the ghetto full of pain, full of cry. Mama work hard, but the food still dry. Me say fire for the wicked, fire for the lie. Fire for the system where you watch we die. Roots still strong, them can't chop we down. Jah they a him a wear the crown. Roots still strong, me a chant it loud. Babylon tremble when me step in at the crowd. Me tell the youth them, never give in. Stand up firm, fight for the win. Me say knowledge of the power, wisdom of the sword. Read your history, me say no Jah word. Them give we gun, them give we crime. Them lock we up, them take we time. But the real ghetto soldier never bow. Me a chant righteousness, me say right now. Me hear the nyaya bingy drum them a roll.
Me feel the ancestors deep in my soul. Me sight the wicked, me sight the plan, but me walk with Jah, me a real lion. Me say one love, me say one aim, Rasta vibration, me keep it same. We nah bow down, we nah sell out. Real reggae music make the whole world shout. Roots still strong, them can't chop we down. Jaja dey a him a wear the crown. Roots still strong, me a chant it loud. Babylon tremble when me step in a the crowd. See yo do do, hand and shoots and shoots and shoot. See yo do do, hand and shoots and shoots and shoot. Them a push war, but we push peace. Them want we fade, but we increase. The fire still burn, the message still clear. Jaja love, me say that me fear. Me say guidance, protection, wisdom me seek. Me say power in a word, power when me speak. Me nah fall, me nah lose me way. Jah guide me steps every single day. Fire for the wicked, fire for the chains.
Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots, Zion roots. Zion call, it a reach me soul. A journey eternal, fi make we whole. The mountains high, the rivers deep. Zion's melody, inna the wind it sweep. With Jah's message, we trod along. Each step empowered by Zion's song. The chains of Babylon, them can't bind. The call of Zion, renew in mind. Zion call, oh hear the cry. A promise of peace under Jah's sky. Feed the weary heart, a sacred place. Zion's light, it shine with grace. Zion call, rise and be free. Guided by Jah for eternity. In the struggle, we find Jah's hand. Zion's call, the promised land. The trials heavy, but we no bow low. We rise like the river, steady we flow. The truth we carry, fi heal the pain. Zion's call, the eternal gain. The youth them rise, with purpose strong. Guided by Zion, we belong. With love as we anchor, hope as we guide. We reach for Zion, just gates open wide. Whoa, the stars align. Zion call, Jah's love divine. The fire we feel, it blaze so high. Under Jah's wings, we learn to fly. Zion call, oh hear the cry. A promise of peace under Jah's sky. Feed the weary heart, a sacred place. Zion's light, it shine with grace. Zion call, rise and be free. Guided by Jah for eternity. In the struggle, we find Jah's hand. Zion's call, the promised land. With every heartbeat, the rhythm flow. Zion's call, it make we grow. Till the final day, we'll sing Jah's song. In a Zion's embrace, we belong. Forever we stand on holy ground. Zion's call, the eternal sound. Through valleys low and mountains steep. Zion's love we forever keep.
new day rise with love divine. The struggles of night, them fade away. On the jazz sun, we greet the day. With hope in our hearts, we press ahead. Through the trials of life, can make we delayed. The rising sun, it bring new life. Guiding we path, ending the strife. Rising sun, it light the skies. Feed the weary heart, just love arise. With every moment, just blessings flow. Rising sun, make the people grow. Rising sun, a sign so true. The promise of Jah, it renew. Through the valleys low, just light we see. Rising sun, for you and me. The world may tremble, but we stand firm. Just lessons teach, the truth we learn. With love as we guide, and peace as we weigh. The rising sun bring a brighter day. Feed the youth them last, just show them care. The rising sun make them path prepare. Each moment a chance to start anew. Under jazz love, all dreams come true. Whoa, the light shine on. Rising sun, it make we strong. Feed the hopeless hearts, just power bring. Rising sun, we forever sing. Rising sun, it light the skies. Feed the weary heart, just love arise. With every moment, just blessings flow. Rising sun, make the people grow. Rising sun, a sign so true. The promise of Jah, it renew. Through the valleys low, just light we see. Rising sun, for you and me. Till the final day, just sun will glow. Guiding we steps, wherever we go. Feed the struggles ahead, just strength we find. Rising sun, it heal we mind. Forever we chant, just praise so sweet. Under the rising sun, we feel complete. With love and light, Jah make we run. Forever shining, the rising sun. Rasta man is so high. The Zion roots, Rasta man is so high. We stand on the battlefield, armored with grace. The light of Jah guide we in every place. For truth and justice we chant the song. A warrior of love, me carry Jah strong. The wicked them rise, but we never cower. We rooted in love, that be we power. Each struggle we face, we spirit endure. We trod the righteous path, always pure. With Jah blessings we make the climb. Through trials deep and hills of time. Feed the helpless, we lend we might. Standing firm in a Jah's life. Defender of truth, we never fail. With Jah in our corner, we always prevail. The fire of love make the darkness flee. Defender of truth, set Jah people free. Defender of truth, with strength we move. Every obstacle we surely prove. Guided by wisdom, standing so tall. Defender of truth, we answer Jah's call. Them take aim at the weak, but we stand tall. Fi lift up the fallen, fi answer Jah call. With each step forward, we make the mark. Defender of truth, a light in the dark. The chains them fall under Jah's decree. We march united, we fight fi be free. Through valleys deep and shadows wide. Defender of truth, Jah's power inside. The system a bend, but we spirit no break. We conquer the fear every move we make. Just warriors rise with banners high, defender of truth until we fly. Oh, the warriors rise, defender of truth, just flaming our eyes. Each heartbeat chant the sacred hymn. We fight for love and victory brim. The stars above, them watch we fight, guided always by Jah's light. Feed the hopeless, we bring new dawn. Under Jah's banner, we press on. Defender of truth, we never fail. With Jah in our corner, we always prevail. The fire of love make the darkness flee. Defender of truth, set Jah people free. Defender of truth, we make it known. Jah's righteousness upon the throne. For the weak and lost, we make a stand. Defender of truth under Jah's command.
Oh yeah, Zion roots. Oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Me step out strong, me not take no chain. Them try fi wall we, but we break them pain. Jah guide me, me walk with light. The wicked get fright when the truth shine bright. Me see them system, me see them lies. Them want we blind, but me open me eyes. Me hear the people, me feel the cry. Ghetto youth tired, them want reach high. Me say fire for the ones where I sell we out. Them sign contract, but me have no doubt. Them bow to the rich, them fight the poor. Still me chant justice from me hardcore. Me tell me brethren, me tell me sistren, hold up your faith, never give in. The time soon come, the walls are go fall. Babylon can't win, me say none at all. Freedom fighter, me nah bow down. Jah light shine, me a wear the crown. Freedom fighter, me burn them lies. The truth rise up, them can't disguise. Me see the media twist up the facts. Them use propaganda, them build up acts. Them sell fear, them push pure war. But the real revolution, it never too far. Me say knowledge of the weapon, wisdom of the shield. Ghetto youth rise up, take back the field. Them poison the food, them poison the ear. But me chant righteousness, me no live in fear. Me hear the thunder, me feel the sound. Rebel vibration, it shake the ground. Me say one love, me say one aim. Me say burn Babylon, them can't maintain. Me step on truth, me step on right. The wicked have to run when them see Jah light. Me voice a weapon, me word a sword. Me fight with love, me fight with word. Freedom fighter, me nah bow down. Jah light shine, me a wear the crown. Freedom fighter, me burn them lies. The truth rise up, them can't disguise. Me say rise up youth, no take them talk. Them why you stray, them why you lost. The time soon come, the end draw near. Hold firm to Jah, can't live in fear. Me trod the road, me walk with faith. Me know said the wicked can't change them fate. The judgment set, the fire burn. The tables turn, now them have to learn. Fire for the chains, fire for the pain. Fire for the system where you bring their strain. Fire for the wicked, fire for the hate. Jah kingdom rise before it too late.
Me wake up in the morning, me hear the youth them ball. Empty pot pan the fire, nothing there pan the stall. Babylon system push we to the wall, but me know Jah never make we fall. Me walk through the street, me see pure frustration. Ghetto youth lost in a miss education. Them brainwash we, them take we vibration. But Rasta rise up for the real liberation. Them poison the food, them poison the mind. Them want we lost, but me still a find the truth hidden deep, but me still a dig. Jah wisdom bigger than them world we big. Me see politician come with them suit and tie, smile pon them face, but me know a lie. Them promise we hope, but me see the game. Ghetto youth still a suffer, still feel the pain. Ghetto prophecy, me a chant it loud. Babylon tremble when me step in the crowd. Ghetto prophecy, the truth can't hide. Jaja there, he must stand by me side. Me say knowledge of the power, wisdom of the shield. Real revolution starting at the field. Me tell the youth them, put down the gun. The real enemy are the system we run. Them push pure violence in our sight. TV, radio, them program the mind. Me say break the chain, free up your soul. Jaja call, make the prophecy unfold. Me hear the drum, me feel the sound. Reggae music shake the whole world round. Me chant it loud, me chant it clear. Ghetto youth rise, Jah time they near. Me stand up strong, me never go bow. Me fight for the truth, me say right now. Me say fire for the wicked, fire for the lies. Rasta man trod with Jah inna me eyes. Ghetto prophecy, me a chant it loud. Babylon tremble when me step inna the crowd. Ghetto prophecy, the truth can't hide. Jaja there, he must stand by me side. Me say open your mind, open your heart. Ghetto youth wise up before the world fall apart. Them can't trick we, them can't stop we. Jah blessing heavy, so them can't drop we. Me feel it deep, the spirit so strong. Me know say the struggle I go end before long. Me hold me faith, me never lose hope. Rasta vibration, help me cope. Fire for the system, fire for them plan. Fire for the wicked way I fight Rasta man.
Zion roots. Yeah man, Rasta Vito smoke bong in the morning. Zion roots. Yeah man, Rasta Vito smoke bong in the morning. The fire ignite deep in our soul, a blaze of hope. Make the people whole through the shadows of doubt. We press ahead, freedom's flame burn bright. Can't be dead with Jah as we guide. The chains them break, every step we take a brighter wake. The children of Zion rise with might through the darkest storm. We claim the light, freedom's flame, it a burn so high, lighting the path beneath Jah's sky. Through the trials and pain, we stand so strong. Freedom's flame, it carry we along. Freedom's flame, a beacon true, guiding the way for me and you. With Jah's power, we claim the name, forever united in freedom's flame. The cry of the weak, Jah hear them call. We rise for justice, for break the wall. The system oppressed, but we can't give in. We chant for the people, let the freedom begin. With courage and faith, we make the climb. Each step a victory, each moment sublime. The fire of hope, it never fade. Through Jah's blessings, we make the trade. Whoa, the spirit rise, freedom's flame, it light the skies. Feed the broken hearts, Jah make them heal. Freedom's truth we forever feel. Freedom's flame, it a burn so high, lighting the path beneath Jah's sky. Through the trials and pain, we stand so strong. Freedom's flame, it carry we along. Freedom's flame, a beacon true, guiding the way for me and you. With Jazz power, we claim the name. Forever united in freedom's flame. Till the final dawn, we hold the line. Freedom's flame, forever divine. With each heartbeat, we sing just praise. In a Zion's light, we spend we days. Forever we chant the anthem pure. Freedom's flame, it will endure. Through valleys low and mountains wide, we carry just love, the flame inside.